Kyle from Cabot Guns, and I want to talk to you for a minute about why our slide stop is a little bit different and why it's a little bit easier to use than some that you might be used to. The first thing you may notice on our slide stop is we have a heavy chamfer on the opposite side of the gun, the opposite of the slide stop, that allows you to push it through with ease without the pin having to stand proud of the frame. So the first thing you'll have to do is pull the slide back until the smaller notch on the left side of your slide is lined up with the top of your slide stop. Then you can push on the slide stop and it will begin to come out of the other side, and you can just pull it with your fingernails. It should slide right out and remove it from the gun. At this point, take a look at your slide stop. You'll notice that we've machined a groove starting right under the slot all the way through the lug on the slide stop. That is to guide the slide stop along the plunger and back into the hole without putting the so-called idiot scratch on your frame. When you go to put it back in, again, you have to get your slide lined up, slide the pin through the frame and the barrel link, and then you'll feel the plunger end line right up with the slide stop, and you can just push it straight in. You don't have to worry about pushing it up and in at the same time or any of the challenges of a traditional slide stop. At that point, your gun is reassembled and you are ready to shoot.